Grade 8 students, the second example is, it's not hard. X plus, we do the same thing. X plus negative x will cancel each other, so we'll get 0, 5, y equals 5, y equals 5 divided by 5, y equals 1. Let's replace y with 1 in anywhere in the first equation or in the second equation, no problem. X plus 4y equals 5. X plus 4 equals 5. Of course, 4 times 1 is 4. X is 1. Oh, they are the same. Let's look at the second example. 2x plus 3y equals 12. So we are going to, the number in front of x in the first and second equation, they are different. So we need to use another method, multiplication by negative 2. If I multiply by negative 2, it will be negative 6x. The second one, if I multiply by 2, it will be negative 6x. So I'm going to change its sign. So this one will be changed, because 3 times 2x will be 6x. Let me show you. You'll see clearly now. 3 times 2x will be 6x. 2 times negative 3x will be negative 6x. So at the end, they'll be cancelled out. So let's add them up. But we don't add them up first, because we are going to modify. In the beginning, we modify. Let's modify. Second step is, we wrote those numbers. Let's multiply now. 3 times 2x will be 6x. 3 times 3y, let me show you guys. 3 times 3y, 3 times 12, 2 times 3x, 2 times 2y, 2 times negative 5. So we are going to do step by step. 3 times 2x, 6x, 3 times 3y, 6y equals, now 6y, 9y. It is 9y. We don't make a mistake if we want to see correct answer. So 6x plus 6y equals 3 times 12 is 36. So the second equation becomes 2 times 3x negative 6x. 2 times 2y 4y equals 2 times negative 5 will be negative 10. So let's add them up. So as you see, negative 6x, that's positive 6x, cancels negative 6x. 0 plus 13y equals 26. Y will be 2. So let's replace y with 2 in the second equation. Negative 3x, I'm going to use its color. Negative 3x plus 2y equals negative 5. So y, we found y is 2. So 2 times 2 equals negative 5, but negative 3x is here. So negative 3x is 4, goes to the right side as negative. So x is 3. X will be 3, guys. X will be 3. Okay, we found x and y. X is 3, y is 2. You try question 4 by yourself, and let's see the answer at the end.